The television in the lounge is operated by a single remote control. This is all relatively straightforward. To turn on the television, just push the top power key. This will turn on the television. If you wish to go to the menu of what programs are on, just push this top left button. That allows you to access, and then you just scroll using the up and down arrow keys, and then push OK on whichever show you wish to watch, and then it says select channel, and then you're free to watch that. If you wish to go to Netflix, you can push the Netflix button. That'll enter Netflix menu, then click on Hermitage Road. This will open up Netflix, and then from there you can then browse whatever TV show or movie you wish to watch. To exit Netflix, just push the exit button and push yes, and that will bring you back to the main television. And then to turn off the television, just push the power button at the top. That's how to use the television lounge.